In this video, I will show you how you can edit the home screen of your iPhone. So let's get started. Now to do that, first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit at the top left corner on the screen. And once you do that, this pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Now as you can see, you have a few options to edit your home screen. First of all, you have the option of Add Widget. Now if you select Add Widget, you will be able to add any widget to your home screen. Now for an example, I will add a widget of the fitness app. Now just select the widget which you want to add, then tap on Add Widget. Now after the Add Widget feature, you also have the option of Customize. And from here, you can customize the app icons of your iPhone. Now as you can see, by default, it is on this option. But you can either select dark, and it will set the dark versions of the icon. And you also have the option of clear. And by selecting clear, you will set the liquid glass version of the app icons. And also you have the option of tinted. And from here, you can change the tint color. And also you can change the color intensity of the tint. Also, if you tap on the eyedropper icon over here, you can set any color from the background, just like that. After that, you have the option to hide the app names. Now, if you tap on this icon over here, you will increase the size of the app icons and you will hide the names of the app. Just like that. And finally, you have the option to dim the background. As you can see, it is currently darker, but if I tap on the sun icon, it will make the background lighter. Now finally, after the customize feature, we have the option of edit wallpaper. And from here, you can either edit your current wallpaper by applying filters, and you can also crop into the photo. And also, if you tap on this square icon over here, you can choose any other photo from your gallery app. Just like that. Just select the photo, then tap on Done. Now also you have the option to blur the wallpaper, just like that. And you can also set a gradient color or a solid color. And finally, after the Edit Wallpaper option, you have the option of Edit Pages. And from here, you can hide or show any page of your iPhone. For example, I will hide these pages and I will only show the home screen. Just uncheck the pages which you want to hide, then tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully hidden all the other pages of our iPhone. Now to unhide them, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. Go to the Edit Pages section, and from here, just check the pages which you want to show, then tap on Done. And as you can see, this is how you can show the pages, just like that. And this is how you can edit the home screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.